How to make Instagram account private. For that, you need to open the Instagram app and tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access to your profile page, you need to tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and under who can see your content, tap on account privacy. So here you have set your account to public. Now you need to simply toggle on this private account button. So when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following list. So simply you need to toggle on this. So here it is shown that business accounts can be private. If you want to make your account private, first you need to switch back to personal account. So let's go and switch it back to the personal account. Be on settings and here you can see the option of account type and tools. Tap on it and here is the only option to switch to professional. Let's come back and simply tap on first of all. Simply you need to toggle on this private account button and now tap to switch to private. In this way you can easily make Instagram account private. I hope you find this video useful. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.